folks, Dan Freer here of the Scrub Update. I apologize, I keep forgetting to post what you guys want me to call this channel. So I'll do that here as soon as this video is done. I'll do it right away. I apologize. It's been a crazy week. The mortgage business is blowing up in a good way, and the stock market's doing okay, but cryptocurrency, I should just make this the Bitcoin channel because there would be enough information I could talk about it all day long. So don't go away. Let's talk about stocks, crypto, real estate, and bonds. Be right back. I should just name the channel cryptocurrencies. They're revolutionizing the world, and I'm going to show you some information here. Not only did Tesla buy 1.5 billion, the expectations is for Apple and all these big companies to start moving portions of their cash, not all of it, but portions of their cash into cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin. And you have a finite amount of Bitcoin. So as the demand goes up, the supply is stagnant. It can only push up the prices. The prices that are expected are 100,000, 200,000, 400,000. We're at 47,000 right now, so at least a doubling or tripling. But that's the buzzword of the day. Let me tell you a little bit about me, and then I'll get onto the channel. My name is Dan Freer. I do the rate update every day. I'm a mortgage guy. I've been doing it for 33 years. I can do most of the country right now. So if you're looking to buy, build, refinance, or anything, I'd love for you to reach out to me. Check out my channel at the end of the day. Around 4 or 5 o'clock, I post the rate update and tell you what's going on with mortgage rates in the real estate industry. But in the mornings, I post my scrub video. And I know I keep saying I'm going to create a poll so you guys can name the channel, actually. And I'll do that, I promise you, as soon as I post this video, I'll make a poll. So please vote. Let me know what you want to name the channel. I'm going to put up several different ideas, and whatever one gets the most votes is what we will call it. So let's get on to what's happening in today's world. Right now we have employees asking to be paid in Bitcoin. So not only are big industries looking to buy into the cryptocurrencies, and governments all over the world, now it's heating up where employees want to be paid in Bitcoin. So if that happens, holy smokes. So let's see there's another one breaking down Bitcoin. Catalyst this week. There is a lot. Tesla bought 1.5 billion. MasterCard's going to support it. Bank of New York Mellon forms cryptocurrency division. Dude, if you're not in this stuff, you are going to miss out on this run, and it's going to be phenomenal and life-changing. Legalities. I'm not a wealth advisor. I'm not a stockbroker. I can't trade on your behalf. I don't get paid to be your advisor. I'm not giving you advice to buy or sell or anything. I want to teach you guys basically the basics of stocks, crypto, real estate, and bonds. So any questions you have on there, I should maybe just call this Finance 101. What you should be taught in college that you're not. You know, I have kids that get out of college, that graduated college, and you asking me, hey, write a check out. They don't know how to write a check. Just little things like that, you know, that they don't know. So basically, think of me as Uncle Dan that's teaching you the finance industry. It is basic terms. But what's going on with the markets right now? Basically, everything is hinging upon what the government is doing in regards to the pandemic, how the vaccines are working, what the Federal Reserve is doing to stimulate the economy. A lot of companies are coming out, especially internet companies, are coming out with record earnings that are helping fuel this market. And the reason why the market's taking off is, let's say, for example, here they're coming out saying they're going to give a $1,400 payment to the unemployed for COVID. Well, they're also giving monies for kids and all that other stuff. There's a lot of people that are still employed, never missed a beat, that they're getting, you know, they could be getting $4,000, $6,000, $10,000 in stimulus money. Well, you put it in the bank, your bank's going to give you 0.01 returns or interest rate, or you can throw it into some mutual fund or basically almost anything in the financial business right now and make money. a lot more than 0.01 that the bank's paying you. So, but be careful, do your own research there. But what I want to really focus on is the cryptocurrencies. Here's how I trade it, just to show you guys the backdrop of some of these. A lot of these companies, probably 90% of this portfolio here is what I own personally. Okay, so if you look at the big caps like Google, Amazon, Apple, Facebook, Ford, they're doing okay today. Nothing revolutionary, but you know what? I'd rather see a 0.1 or a 2% or a 1% gain today than some reds. And I saw some massive reds yesterday. What happened is I kept telling you guys I'm focusing on cannabis because the Democratic, basically all of government right now is ran by the Democrats, and they're pro cannabis. So my thought process on that is they're going to legalize federally marijuana. And who's going to prosper from that? Well, the marijuana stocks. So I jumped in. Unfortunately, there was a Reddit issue going on with a lot of these stocks too that pushed it up to certain numbers, and it crashed yesterday. But again, like I do, and I try to explain to people, you dollar cost average. How does that work? So basically, let's look at it this way. You're going to buy $100 worth of a stock every week, every pay period, every month. So when that stock is high, let's say $100, you're investing $100, you buy one share. But when that stock drops, let's say to 50, you're buying 2 shares. Over the long run, you're getting a fairly decent, you should be able to get a decent return on that money, which you will, because you're buying more at low and less at high. So let's, for an example, I've been dollar cost averaging on Bitcoin and Ethereum for the last 2 months. Even with dollar cost averaging, I am up 71% in 2 months. You usually don't get those returns in 10 years. So that's what I'm doing. So what am I focused on? Well, I'm focused on right now the wave of the future, which I just showed you on 3 of the big financial sectors, Bitcoin. So how do I invest in Bitcoin? Well, I go down through here and I share this with you. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, Grayscale Ethereum. Those are the 2 plays on those directly. You can see Bitcoin right now, it is down 0.6. Ethereum's up 0.5. If you blend this, basically it's 0. You have a 0 return for today. But I got a 71% return over the last 45 or 60 days. So this is on a tear. I don't think this is ending anytime soon, because you have big companies, you have corporations, you have countries, and now you have individuals wanting to be paid or wanting to transact in Bitcoin. Okay. Another way I play this is with blockchains. And on Tuesday, I'm going to have a Bitcoin, basically a specialist that I know, teach us the basics about Bitcoin, and then every week stop by my office, and we're going to dig in deeper and deeper and deeper, and even show you guys how I buy these positions. So the next thing is I buy blockchains, and that is how Bitcoin is transacted. When you buy in Bitcoin, it goes through the blockchain. So I buy Hive blockchain, which is up 0.9 today. I've been in this stock since it was 40 cents. So I made 5 times my money on that so far. Marathon is up 1.31%. I'm up, I think, 100% on this one. Believe it or not, PayPal is a great position to trade or make money on cryptocurrencies as well. It's up 3% today. And the other one is Riot. Riot is up 8% today. I think I'm up now 4 times my money in the last 60 days on Riot. So overall, the Bitcoin avenue is doing fantastic for me. Here's how, one of the things I'm going to ask the person on Tuesday is, do I hold these things? Do I trade them? Meaning jump in, jump out, jump in, jump out. What do I do? And that's a tough question, because it's I'm up 5 times or 70%. So I don't want to lose that. So there's a technique in stocks and in some of these things that you can actually put in like a loss, a stopper. So let's say I bought a stock at 50 and now it's 70. I'm extremely happy. But I go away for a week and go on vacation. I come back and find that my stock's now at 40. Not only did I lose that profit, now I'm down money. So what can you do? Well, there's a way to do what's called a stop loss. So you put it in and now it's at 70. I can say, you know what, that hit 65. I want out. I want an auto sell so I don't come all the way back. And you can keep moving that up. So now that stock goes to 70 to 80. Well, now I can move my stock up, a loss up to 70 or 75. And then it goes to 90. I can carry it all the way up. So if it ever really deteriorates quickly in a moment, I can get out of the position. And I'm going to explain some of those techniques to you next week. So stay on the edge of your seat to find out that. Cryptocurrencies, what's it doing today? Let's jump over to that piece of the market. Bitcoin is up 3%. Let's look at the week. Let's just not look at today. Bitcoin is up 22% in the last week. Ethereum up 3%. Cardano, this is the one we'll be talking in detail. Cardano, XRP is what the guy really focuses on that I'm going to have in next week. XRP, it's up 27%. Cardano up 81% this week. Binance up 119%. Guys, you need to study this stuff and figure out which one is in a position or which one are you comfortable or which one you like. And basically look over here. There's almost nothing in the red other than Tether, and I don't know Tether. So that's that part of the equation. Based on all this stuff, the stimulus package, what the economy is doing and everything else, what should the dollar be doing? Well, it should be down or at least staying in the realm of where we focused on, that line that we talk about. So let's see where that is. It is down, nothing really. Let's just say it's 0. But guys, we're at the line that I expected, and I expect us to trade on that line or below. As long as we trade on this line or below, the dollar is weakening, so that even helps fuel the cryptocurrencies markets. Okay, so that's why I follow the dollar as well. To end the day, what is the MBS market doing and bonds? Here's what I follow, and if you're interested in any of this, please follow my channel and follow me every evening. MBSs are basically a bond that trades on Wall Street. That this is the determining factor, the biggest determining factor of mortgage rates. So down means the price of the bond is down, meaning in a roundabout way, rates are going up. As this bond price goes down, yields go up. Okay, if you follow my channel every day, I said, we should be trading right around this area right here, where the 25-day and the 50-day moving average crosses. It's been deteriorating and deteriorating and deteriorating. Why? Well, and it's going to self-correct, and we should be moving up to this range probably in the next week or two. But what's happening right now is the 10-year Treasury. A lot of government bonds, their yields are going up and up and up and up, and so people are moving out of the MBS market and into treasuries for a more secure and higher yield. Okay, that's the best way to follow that. But if you're interested in this stuff, follow me every evening when I talk about mortgage rates. So you're going to see this number keeps dropping on a tick by tick basis. And I basically just think there's, it's like a stock. As one person sells, a lot of times, unless there's over demand, you're going to just see people continue to kind of loosen their position on that. And as the price drops, you're going to have more and more people kind of jump out of it until it gets to a point where the price drops enough, the yield's high enough that they jump back in. And the Federal Reserve is going to step in and start buying, making sure that this stabilizes and rates don't get out of control. So that's it. Please check out my YouTube channel. I have over 700 videos here, and I cover mostly what's going on with mortgages, but I started a couple weeks ago. I started following Scrub, or I created a Scrub video that you're watching right now to teach people stocks, crypto, real estate, and bonds. So I hope you like that. I will be posting a poll here in a minute on what to name the channel. Please vote on that. But other than that, all I ask you to do is, if you would, to help me reach more people, give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell so every time I post a video, you get an alert. That's it for today. So God bless you on Friday. Have a great, safe, warm weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye-bye.